Mr. Bore, and through the chair, as I had already stated, there is need to strengthen the laws in terms of how the IEBC commissioners can act. At the boardroom level, it is an issue of having capacity building and teamwork, and ensuring there is teamwork between the parties. And that can be done through continuous engagement, open communication, and open communication between the parties. And there should, I think we need to amend the law, the IBC Act, to be specific, to give guidelines on how affairs within the commission, the 7 commissioners, including the chairman, should be guided, so that if there is a dispute, how is it recorded? For example, does the chair have the absolute right to declare the presidency when the other 6 commissioners are saying that is not the proper treasury? We need to presidency when the other 6 commissioners are saying that is not the proper treasury. We need to have the law looked into and probably amended to actually the law provides that for you to make a decision, it should be more than half, that is 4 out of 7. But in terms of presidential results, it is said that there seems to be a contradiction in that law, because why is the decision then being made by one person as against the other 6? So those affairs need to be relooked into through stakeholders engagement. I would actually look into forming a multi-agency team to look into how to ensure there is no quabbles within the commission. I would actually be looking to adopt what is there at the Supreme Court. You have an issue, let's discuss it, and if we can't agree, let's put it down. This is my opinion. This is why I don't agree with the results that were presented. This is why I don't agree that even the results presented in other situations, the elections were not free and fair. But unfortunately, there is no procedure that can be able to cover that.
So, Madam, you are saying that you would have to change the laws so that people can work together?
With the experience that we have had. I've said in the boardroom affairs, it is clear that if we are making a decision, it's 4 out of 7. It is the majority. That wins. If we are going to obtain the oversight on the procurement process, and we are saying we are not going to take that company, and 4 out of 7 have agreed, that is how we are going to go. That is what the law allows. But the issue that has not been sorted out is in terms of declaration of results. And that's where you fight IBC commissioners disappearing on the people of Kenya at their time of need. So we come through this system. We have offered our services to the people of Kenya, but on the day that they need us most, then you disappear. So that is what needs to be guided by the law. Can you be able to just walk out? If you need to walk out, what should be the process to be able to do that? If there's a disagreement, and that is on the issue of the results, and they really cannot agree, there should be a law that provides for how to handle that. Otherwise, it will be just the usual boardroom wrangles on a very important issue that affects the whole of Kenya.
So you don't think it's about the leadership skills of the chair?
I think also in terms of, that's why I said in terms of the boardroom affairs, there are already provisions. Of course, you require to have a chair who is able to deal with everyone, who is able to gel, who is able to give very good leadership skills and follow the Constitution and the Leadership and Integrity Act. That person is the one who brings the glue to the group. But like in the general elections, there's a lot of political party interference or political interference at that point. That's why it is very important to have the law being the one providing for what should be done in that kind of circumstance. Yes.
Now,